Hi, this is Antoine from Bleemeo. Let's begin a quick introduction to Bleemeo monitoring solution. Here we are on the dashboard, which presents an overview of your infrastructure. On the right, you've got the timeline with all the last events on your servers. Here some key indicators, and as you can see, we are monitoring 2 servers. Let's now see how easy it is to add a new one. You just have to copy that command and paste it in your shell. Let's go. So the Bleemeo Smart Agent installs itself on your server using native packages, and then it will discover all the process and containers currently running on your server and sending to our cloud platform the main metrics in order to monitor them. So as you can see, we have here a notification for the new server, and let's now discover what we have on it. So we have one Redis and one Nginx. We will use those services later. We are back on the dashboard and we see that the agent is already here. Let's now switch to the agent view. Well, we can see that our newly created server is already here and that will receive key indicators. We can also see that our 2 containers are well registered. Let's now jump to another server. On the first tab, we can see all the key indicators about your server. These are collected with a 10-second period of time, and they can be displayed on several hours or days. On the Information tab, we can see all the informations the agent collects about your host and its services. The Metrics view is dedicated to all metrics collected by the Bleemeo Smart Agent. We can define a threshold for each of them. For example, here we will get a warning alert at 80% of file system used and critical one at 80%. Then the processes view enables us to show what is currently running on the host. We can see, for example, what is running for Apache and then sort them about memory consumption. So we see here that everything is running fine with Apache. On Bleemeo, you can create your own dashboard to monitor specific business metrics. So here we are running a WordPress blog on a MySQL database on an Apache web server, so we decided to display relevant metrics related to Apache and MySQL. We also display the global web traffic on our both server. Let's now add a new widget. So how much memory is used on our server? We have different type of widgets, from light chart to status smiley, but we will keep the default one. So we choose our second agent. And let's go. And it's over. We monitor memory used. We can also easily change dashboard layout. That way, for instance. Let's jump to the next page. Status dashboard is a summary of your infrastructure. At a glance, you can see all the problems you are coping with. It is also easy to check all your infrastructure. And for example, here MySQL is OK everywhere. This screen is used to manage notifications. Each time an event occurs on one of your servers, you receive an alert by email. You can choose how and when you will be notified, for example by using text messages. The last page is about user management. Here, you can create users for your team and manage their permission. This video is now over. Thank you for watching. You can sign up on Bleemeo Cloud Platform on bleemeo.com/trial.